I'm on the hunt for a good foundation. I haven't found one in a while. Today we're going to try out the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. So let's jump right into it. I got the shade Medium 80W. This is $16 at Ulta. ColourPop's Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation is a lightweight hydrating foundation that delivers medium buildable coverage with a natural skin-like finish. Perfects the look of skin while delivering ultimate hydration for a breathable, comfortable feel all day. Medium buildable coverage, healthy, natural skin-like finish, feels lightweight and comfortable, hydrates skin instantly over time. HydraFresh Complex formulated with fruit extracts enhances the look of skin by instantly hydrating and diminishing the look of fine lines. Let's see what the T is. What do you guys think first? I think it looks nice. It's a little bit heavier than I thought it was going to be. You know, I like a light, very light coverage, and I tried to use very light amount. It does look nice on the skin. It doesn't look too heavy, but it definitely looks maybe a little bit heavier than I would like for sure. I'm gonna use this Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder to just kind of brighten a little bit. I don't know if I would ever use this before, so we're doing a double whammy. Not bad. Like I said, a little heavier than I would like, but if you like just a touch, like this feels really nice on the skin and it looks really nice on the skin and it looks hydrating. It doesn't look like overly matte, but it's not like dewy either. So I think it looks really nice. If you like kind of that like creamy, a little bit heavier, just a little bit heavier, not heavy, heavy. I don't know if I'm explaining this well. Then this might be the product for you. I'm gonna keep playing around with it. I don't know if it's 100% my jam, but it looks really nice.